the professional gate opener. She must be a farmer. Hey!
Yeah, there.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing stuff with Granddad's car. Granddad's getting the music pumping.
What we got?
Oh, it's already taped.
Taped up, automatic taped up.
I'm putting that all around the window.
Inside here,
Yeah.
just to cover all the windscreen. So when we paint here, it doesn't get on the new windscreen.
Cool, easy. I can start now. Yeah, trying to get the shots.
You see how I've done all the rest of it?
Yeah, it's probably not going to look as good as that.
So, what are we doing?
Spray painting.
Spray painting the roll cage. She's taped up the windscreen and she thinks she's got it.
I think so.
I think so.
Looking pretty good. I'm now gonna start sanding this up and then spray painting it. I'm making Granddad give me work because I want to work, but this looks good. Hopefully that looks good. I might have missed some. So I'm gonna sand it. How do I sand it? Just like that? The whole thing?
The whole thing, just get all this loose shit off. It just leaves the surface slightly.
Yep, easy.
And then we'll wash it and we'll paint it.
Okay. Are you taking the tyres off?
Now trying these new bigger flasher wheels, making sure they fit. Plus have a look at the suspension.
The wind is quite savage for me.
Drying out before it hits it.
Yeah.
These long sweeps. Yeah, it's a bit patchy.
Me. You gotta stand here. Okay, see, in the shadow, and you gotta make a love heart.
Like a bit tall.
Yeah, there. My God.
So we've got the 18 by 9s on the back, and we've got the Speedy Cheetahs 18 by 8 on the front. We've got a model. What we're going to do, she's painted the rest of the roll cage in here. She's painted all that around the windscreen. Looking good. Now what we're going to do, put the dash in and get it together.
It's a little bit later on from my last clips of me and Grandad working on the car. It's now dinner time. My Grandad has his random soup that has every vegetable under the sun. I don't know how he eats it, but he loves it. And I'm making dumplings. I've made enough for me and him to have because he actually likes them, which is surprising. And pretty much for the rest of the night, we are going to watch K-drama. All our episodes for our new dramas that we're watching have come out over the weekend, and we always wait till Monday to watch them all. So that's what we're doing tonight. I'm actually so excited. I can't wait. And I think we'll be starting a new K-drama. I'm not too sure what he wants to watch, but I'm going to try and direct him into one that I really want to watch. So yeah, we'll see. I'm just taking the washing off the line and cuddling my little baby girl. Yeah, my baby. Okay. Oh, you just so cute. Bless you. Bless you. Yeah. So this morning I'm just doing a couple of odd jobs around the house. One which you saw this morning, which was getting the washing off the line, patting the cat as well. And now I'm filling up our rainwater container so that we have fresh water, because the water that comes out the taps is bore water. And also I'm actually leaving on Friday, so I want to get everything done that I need to get done before I leave. My granddad said that he's gone to the shops to get me pizza bread, so I'm very excited about that. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. Odd jobs around. We have a couple of more odd jobs that me and my granddad both have to do, so I will take you along with us doing that. This is gonna take a while. Grandad has said he's got me a Korean present.
Apple soju.
He got soju. Grandad.
Grape, apple, or peach.
Peach. Oh, look at that. There we go. We got water for days.
Ah, we got the water too.
Yeah, we got water too.
Good.
We're ready for the weekend.
Good. Can I sit down there?
Nah, you're not allowed to. Your exercise is not over yet.
Yeah. Mice get in it. And the moths. Tough. Too tough for me.
No. Who's picking that up?
I don't care, that's her job. Run around old people, that's what she should be doing.
That's exactly right. Oh, damn it, I didn't even get in there.
I think I've got another shovel here.
We have a couple of potholes. One main one at the front gate of the property that we've been needing to fill since I moved here. So today we are going to fill it up. That is one of our tasks. Grandad's just going to get his ute We're going to attach the trailer on and then go down to where the gravel is, which I'll show you. Which way it goes? Done.
Yeah, let's go and get a bit of gravel. And less rocks. Over here might be the best.
It is time to dig the gravel.
Yeah, that looks alright.
Yeah? Alright.
No, we just set them carefully there. And we only need a little bit. That's the light shovel. You can have the light one.
Are you working hard or hardly working? I don't know yet.
I can go K-drama after this. See too many forests like this around anymore.
No, you don't. This is the said hole that we are filling up. Well guys, today is my last day on the farm because my husband is coming home tomorrow, and so my plan is to clean my car, which I have been meaning to do for what, 2 years. So I've decided I'm going to clean it today, and so you guys can watch me as I clean it and make it nice. I've got crap everywhere, all at the front as well. You want a little tomato? Come here. So here in Australia we have something called bobtails, which I don't know if anywhere else in the world, but in WA they're quite popular, especially out in the country. And when I was younger, we used to take them, grab them, and then pull ticks out of their ears because they're prone to ticks. So that's what we used to do when we were younger to help them, so that they didn't have, like, some of them had, like, you know, quite a few, and we'd take them all off. But we would also feed them tomatoes or any type of, like, strawberries, stuffed fruit and veg, and give that to them as a treat because they were so good after we were pulling ticks out of their ears. There's been quite a few, like there is one right under here. I don't know if you can see him. But yeah, so I'm gonna feed them tomatoes. Now the thing about them is that you can't let them bite you, because if they do, we've heard that you have to kill them, but I don't know if that's true. Little tomato, you got a tomato. Oh, is that for you? That's so cute. Do you like it? They love tomatoes. Oh, they're so cute. Now, this one does have a tick, I'm pretty sure. Hello. So yeah, there is one on his ear. This is where they usually are. Yeah, the only time that you'd ever have an issue with them biting you is when you're picking them up or trying to maybe move them out of the way. Like, they're not going to come and attack you. Guys, he's eating it. Look at him. He's got it. He's having a grand old time. I just found this little guy inside this water bowl. His head was out, but I don't know how long he had been stuck in there. He seems fine. I don't know if he's gonna survive. He doesn't look too bad, but now I've just realized I'm going to either put some stuff in that so that if they want to get a drink of water, they can without drowning. And then I'm gonna put some little bowls. I just put this bowl out, and I'm gonna put another bowl out of water for them so they can drink, because that was horrific after I'd just been like obviously trying to feed them and stuff, and then I just saw him in there. Oh my god. So yeah, anyway, he looks all right. We'll see. He's a bit of a climber. Look at him go. Look at him crawling into here. That's insane. Okay, I didn't realize they were that smooth. What the heck? He's literally crazy. I literally had no idea that they could do this. Are you stuck now? Oh my god. If he's still stuck there, I will help him. Don't worry, guys. Let's go fill up some more water troughs for them. The bobtail is okay. The bobtail's just up here. So he got through the fence. I have no idea how, but he's capable. I think I'm going to set this up so that it's full of water, because this is like gonna hold so much more water and it'll stay. And I'm just going to put things in so they can get out. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So something that you have to do on this farm, which I don't know if it's on every country place, but we don't have a rubbish collector, like, you know how you have your yellow bins and your green bins. We don't have that here, so we have our own rubbish tip. And so my granddad usually grabs all our rubbish and then takes it up there. So yeah, I'm gonna take this to the rubbish tip and show you what that's like. Oh, right. The last melon ready to go. So this is our tip. It's got cars, it's got everything. I have come past here a couple of times, so you would have seen it previously. But yeah, so this is all our junk. And this is where I'll be putting all of this stuff in as well. Just realised that there's an ant's nest that I just stood on, and now they're all going crazy. I can't go up there. So I thought I'd show you some of the wildflowers. Look at these ones. They're so pretty. Anyway, I thought I'd show you that before I leave, just because there is still beautiful flowers in the rubbish dump area. So, you know.
Say 351 on, I haven't seen it. It does say,
Yeah. The heart of the engine.
Okay. And what are you fixing?
We're just putting a new seal on here because it was leaking oil,
we're linishing the journals,
and polishing it to make it nice and smooth again.
and we got
They go in there.
it's a bearing, main bearing.
It fills up, it's got grooves to fill up with oil so that it keeps working without getting hot.
Okay.
The oil runs through the groove.
Wait, let's see. We'll run through there. Okay.
My new one. I'll have carried the noodles on it.
It's so much fun. Yeah. Look at you enjoying your life.
My granddad's a fucking.
It's so pretty. I am gonna go for my run. I'm gonna try and get to the canola field before the sun sets and then come back. So that's my plan. Like it is so nice. We were just up at my uncle's shed, which I filmed, and they talked about what they were doing with whatever that thing was. I don't know. I know that most of you guys are probably not interested in car stuff, but that is a big part of my family. We do speedway here, so that's why, like, as you can tell, like, these are just all our car wrecks that they get parts from. So, you know, it's a big part of our family, so I thought I'd show it. So yeah, but I'm gonna go for my run. I'll come back, and then me and my granddad are probably gonna keep watching Korean dramas all night, which is nothing unusual.